Hello all. We are going to view projects on Core Dealer Portal. To create a project, click on the project list in the Projects menu. Click the Add button to create a new project. In the first step, determine the project name and type and click the Next button. After editing the block, flat, or villa names in Step 2, click the Next button. After filling in the required informations in Step 3, you can click the Save button and start configuring your project. First, let's define the touch panels to be used in this project and assign them to flats or villas. Let's assume that there are two types of villas in the project we created. Now let's create the touch panel configurations in the Scheme section. Click the Add button, enter the scheme name, and select the product code. After clicking the Create Scheme button, you can start the touch panel configuration. After completing the configuration, click on the Return to Portal button and then on the Save button. Type 2 villas additionally have a garden and garden lighting. For this, we will copy the Type 1 scheme and add only the new data. After completing the configuration, click on the Return to Portal button and then on the Save button. Now let's assign the created schemes to villas. Finally, to adjust the network settings of the touch panels, go to the Network Settings page in the Settings section. When Increment Dynamically is selected, the IP addresses of the touch panels are automatically set sequentially. When the same for all flats is selected, the same IP address is assigned to all touch panels. You can add a user to the project and assign a project role to determine the authority of this user in the project. This user has been selected as an advanced type user and is automatically assigned to this project because he has authority over all projects. This user has been selected as a standard type user and will not be able to see this project in her account because she is not assigned to this project. By default, there are two project roles. If desired, a project role can be created with new authorities. Since the user is now assigned to the project, she can view and take action on this project in her account within the scope of her authorizations. After all the settings related to the project are completed, you can publish the schemes to the touch panels in the flats or villas. After this stage, when the touch panels go online, they will automatically upload their configurations via the Core Cloud system. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now,